You think it's a European palace or a movie set? Nope, this is actually just someone's home right here in Washington State. Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. Today I'm in Woodinville, Washington, one of the most prestigious communities in Seattle. So this location is only 10 minutes away to Microsoft in Redmond. So the school district is one of our best. Lake Washington, all the school ratings is 8 out of 10. And then this home was built in 2007. It's kind of a New England European style. It sits on a 5.23 acre of private land. And like you can see, there are 2 constructions on this land. So in total, we have over 11,000 square feet inside and 6 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms. So it has library, gym, wine cellar, and theater. Everything you dream of in a mansion, this house has it. And of course, the attention to details is fantastic. It's one of the best real estate I have ever seen in this area. And of course, I want you to enjoy it. Let's go and check it out. Welcome to this beautiful mansion. So when you're coming in, as you see, there is on the whole entry level, they have this Brazil cherry wood, hardwood for the whole entry level. Very luxurious. And then on the right-hand side, this is their living room, or you can call it a piano room. So of course they have this Victoria style kind of a dining or sitting area, and then a gas fireplace. So all the lighting and the color of the wall, it feels very cozy and luxurious. And then on the other side, here is their formal dining room. This is a very spacious room as well. It's kind of a square room. And of course, in the middle, you have this dramatic light fixtures. And then this round table can easily fit in 10 to 12 guests. So you can hold all the important dinners in this room. And of course, they have a lot of oil paintings. And then I love the furniture and the design of the paint and, the ceilings. Everything is very European and classic. So this is one of my favorite area in this house because this is the place where you open the door and this is the first thing you see. They have, of course, this circular staircase all the way to the second level. And then this glass dome was designed by our local designer, Mark Olson. And all the back lightings, it was specially designed for this home. So this is what luxury means in this house. Now let's go to the great room of this house. So here it is. The 2-level high ceiling, great room with a lot of attentions to the details. They have this box beam on the ceiling, and then all the millwork is amazing. And of course, this is one of my favorite spots in this house. It's kind of like a Victoria design, and you can sit with your family, friends, drinking coffee, drinking tea, and then enjoying this beautiful view of your backyard. So peaceful. And now let's go to the office on the main floor. Coming through this French door, and then the whole interior of this office has millwork everywhere, including the ceilings. So the attention to the details is amazing. And of course, it has a fireplace. The whole house with the guest house together has 8 fireplaces, and this is one of them. And I like how they put this dramatic desk in the center, and it's a really classic design office. And then adjacent to it, here is the library. Well, it is not a very big library, but all these shelves can be adjusted. So they have a lot of shelves, and you can of course put all your books on this wall, and then it feels like a real library. And of course you can close these doors both sides, and you can enjoy your privacy and enjoy your reading here. So let's go to their kitchen area. And first, here is an open concept, and you can enjoy your breakfast or coffee with your family and friends in this corner. And you have great natural light from both sides. I think you can make it however space you want to make it. And of course, here is the chef's dream kitchen for everybody who loves cooking. Great size island, and then this granite is so thick. I think it's more like a design than the countertop. And then it has 3 ovens and then a Viking commercial grade stove with ranch hood already built in. Of course, any cooking you want to enjoy, you can do it here. They have 2 dishwashers and a built-in Sub-Zero fridge. I love the panel so much, I have to say. And of course, the kitchen is also very modern and conveniently designed because it also has a lot of storage area. You have all the shelves already built in, and you can hide all your cooking tools in this, pantry, and then you can keep this beautiful kitchen neat and luxurious all the time. And of course, through this door on the side of the kitchen, you have the access to another staircase. And, one of the things every mansion should have, an elevator. Let's go to the second level. Now we're on the second level of this house. So here is a place where you can actually look down to the great room. And then there is another similar area on the other side. So this is more like a balanced design. And on the whole level, you have 4 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms. And then we are going to take you to the game room and their gym and everything on that corner. So let's go to the primary bedroom first. So this is the 8-foot French door. Coming through, here is a very bright and spacious primary bedroom. You have, again, vaulted ceilings on this side, and then a fireplace. And of course, if you go upstairs just a little bit, here is a sitting area. So you and your partner can sit here, talk, have coffee, read, watch TV, while you can enjoy this beautiful view of the backyard. Okay, let me take you to the primary bathroom. So here, on the way to it, you have 2 walk-in closets, and on this side, you have a bigger one with a washer-dryer in it. So here is their primary bedroom. This reminds me of so many stories that I read when I was a little girl. This is the bathroom that I dreamed of when I read all those stories about the princess and the prince. And then here they have a lot of another attention to details. The pillar, it has a built-in bathtub, and it's a massage bathtub. And here is a pretty spacious shower room with all the tile design in it. And here, 2 sinks on both sides, so you don't need to fight with your partner for the space. You each has your own side. And then here is a little balcony. It's like, the princess who would stand here and waiting for their prince to come. And now we're on the other side of the second floor. So here they have a lot of rooms behind me. The first room, of course, is a professional theater room. So all the lightings and design, this is like a real theater. They have this built-in screen, and then projector is already there. And of course, 2 levels of seats. So you don't need to fight who's blocking whom. Your whole family can enjoy the movie here. And here is a wet bar, very spacious again. They have a fridge here as well. And this is another huge playroom. So you can put a, pool table here, ping pong table if you like it, or, there is a bathroom suite of this room. If you want to basically block this whole side for the mother-in-law ADU kind of design, you can absolutely do it. And there's one more room. This is another huge room with a lot of storage and then skylight. You can make it your studio, your work room, man's cave, or if you have a nanny who lives with you, this could be their room as well. So now we're on the lower level of this house. So we've already seen the theater room, a game room, a wine cellar. There's another wine cellar, by the way, on this level too. And almost everything, a library, right? So what's missing in the house? Let's check it out. Can you imagine you have your own volleyball in the house? Oh my God, this is 2-level. And you can hear my voice circling in this house. You have great light from those windows. You can make it volleyball, pickleball, or just disco night, right? This is amazing. So this property actually has 2 main construction. So this is the main house, and then through here, there is a lot of parking area. So in total, the garage can fit in 8 cars. That's amazing. And then behind me, this is another kind of a guest house design. There's around 1,200 square feet inside. On the main level, there is a kind of a studio. And then you go upstairs, there's bedrooms and bathrooms. And of course, this is a great mother-in-law or you have guests. This is a great place for them to stay. And here is their kind of a backyard design, very mature landscaping as well. And here there's a ball court that you can play with your family and friends. And of course, there is another covered patio right there. So kind of like a Victoria design as well. And this whole area feels so peaceful. There's no noise from the main road or anything. And this is only 10 minutes away to Microsoft, Redmond, and Woodville downtown. This is an amazing location. So after going through this 11,000 square feet home, which room or which area is the most impressive to you? For myself, I think my favorite spot is the glass dome. When you go in, that is absolutely the eye-catching area. And they have a lot of millwork, you know, Victoria design windows. I love all those sitting areas as well. And of course, this huge house has everything you need. It has a theater room, it has the library, has its own volleyball court. And if you want to add anything, you know, even a swimming pool on this over 5-acre land, you can absolutely do it. And I'd like to show our appreciation to the listing agent, Rick, who gave us this great opportunity to showcase one of the best listings in this area. Of course, if you are interested in Woodville itself or this beautiful mansion, give us a call. I'm Maggie. I'll see you next time.